Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: y minus 4 equals then power 2 equals to 25. We are supposed to find the value of y. Then solution: by copy what we have y minus 4 squared will be 25. What are you going to do? We have y minus 4 squared, then minus 25 is equals to 0, and then y minus 4 squared minus 5 squared will be 0, right? Then here at this stage we have difference of two squares, right? Then here, this is what I'm going to write. We have this as a minus 4. Y minus 4 would be like a, right? Then minus 5 times y minus 4 plus 5 will be 0. Then here we have y minus 9 times y plus 5 will be 0. Then here y minus 9 will be 0, or y plus 5 will be, is it 5 here? We have negative, this is 1, sorry. In here we have 1, being here 0. Then that's why we shall say y will be 9, then or y will be negative 1. And by checking if the answer is correct, because we have given y minus 4 squared equals to 25, then here we have 9, then 9 minus 4 squared equals to 25, and of course this is 5 squared, which is equal to 25, and then 25 equals to 25. Then here at this stage, what do we have? We have negative 1 minus 4 squared, which is equal to 25, and then this will be negative 5 squared, which is equal to 25. Then 25 is equal to 25. Then our value are correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.